Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of triangle. What is the meaning of centroid of triangle? What is the definition? Anybody? Anybody know the centroid of triangle definition? Okay, one person give an answer and correct. Yes, centroid of triangle means intersection point of medians. Centroid of triangle means intersection point of medians. Suppose if I take a triangle, let's say this coordinate is x1, y1, which is your A. This coordinate is x2, y2, this is your B. This coordinate is x3, y3. This is the C. Right? I want to know the centroid. Centroid means medians. Medians, listen me, concentrate on the screen. From one of the vertex joined to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is called as the median. Do you understand? Same way from B opposite side, wherever they meet, that is called as the centroid. Remember, from here also you can draw. Don't think it will be go somewhere else. This will also pass through same point. Or you can say, medians are always concurrent lines. They're the concurrent lines. You know, concurrent means those lines, more than two lines, if they pass through single point, they will be called as the concurrent lines. So sometime if they ask me, is the median are concurrent? Yes, all medians pass through single point, and that single point name is called as the centroid G, represented by capital G. Am I clear to everybody? Let's say this coordinate I am talking as a D. This coordinate I am talking as a D. If this is a D, what is the coordinate of D? D is the midpoint of B and C. That's what the definition. So this coordinate will be x2 plus x3 by 2, comma, y2 plus y3 by 2. So D coordinate I am having, A coordinate I am having. I want to know G coordinate, means centroid coordinate. So for that, the most important thing, I should know this ratio. I should know this ratio. Have you understand the point? Remember, G means centroid divides medians. This is the basic 9th, 10th geometry. In the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. But here is the one key point you have to keep in mind. This 2 is the towards vertex, and this 1 is towards midpoint. Generally, people remember 2:1, but they used to forget it. Where is the 2? Where is the 1? So G divides any medium, this median or this median or this median, always in the ratio 2:1. Always in the ratio 2:1. But which side 2 and which side 1? Imagine. I said that key 2 will be vertex side. Means this will be 2 and this will be 1. Have you understand the point? Is it clear? If here I ask this G, this divide this median also, this side 2, this side 1. This G divide this median also, this side 2, this side 1. Correct? Now G coordinate is ready. Think carefully, it's over. What I told you, section formula, 1 will multiply with this, means x1, 1 into x1, plus 2 into this x value, what will become? X2 plus x3 plus by sum of ratio 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for the medians. Centroid. Centroid of a triangle, if their vertices are x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, so centroid will be given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. This is the medians formula. Can I go ahead? Is it clear? One interesting question here. Watch it. Very interesting. This is the midpoint. Let's say this is D, this is the E, this is the F. If I join DEF, if I join DEF, we'll get a new triangle or not? Speak out. We'll get a new triangle. My question is that centroid of DEF, that will also have centroid, will be on G or may not be on G? Answer me. Centroid of the DEF will be on G, means bigger triangle centroid, or it may be different. Logically, you should say answer. Simply not. Yes, it will be on G. It's a very simple, straightforward to understand. Let me explain. This is x2 plus y, x2, what is this coordinate? What does it say? x1 plus x3 by 2, comma, y1 plus y3 by 2. What is this coordinate? We'll say that this will be x2 plus x1 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by. Means now I got the vertices of this triangle or not. This is smaller triangle. So what will be centroid? We'll say centroid will be the sum of all the abscissa. If you add this, watch it. x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y, x2 plus x3 by 2 plus x1 plus x3 by 2. 2 will be LCM. And numerator x1 will come how many times? 2 times. 2x1 plus 2, x2 plus 2, x3. So 2 will get cancelled. x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus, x2 plus x3 by 2 plus y2 x3 plus x1 by 2 whole divided by 3. I'm not writing ordinate. Ordinate will be also remain same. Now if you take LCM, so what it will become? It will become 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 divided by 2 into 3. Yes or no? This 2 will come here. From here 2 I can take common. If you take 2 common, cancel, you'll get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 or not. And y also remains same procedure. So you'll get the thing. Not only this, again you make here midpoint of this triangle, you join and make a new small chunnu-munnu triangle. That also will be centroid. Same G. Again, if you make it, again here. So what will happen? It keep on compressing, and finally your triangle will coincide with the G. Is this clear to everybody? Like this, we can make infinite number of triangles. And each triangle centroid will be G. I guess everybody clear about the centroid.